Hey, everybody, welcome to the Proving Grounds. Now, as you can very likely see, uh, right now, this is my laptop and it's still running Garuda. I haven't used it in a bit, and instead of updating it, I'm planning on just installing Debian in its place. And if you're hearing any weird demonic noises, that's just my 3-year-old having a good time in the background. Now, with that out of the way, I'm going to pause for a moment, and then I'm going to plug in my Ventoy and then get started on doing an installation of Debian 12. I believe they call it the Bookworm Edition. Okay, I'm going to plug in the old Ventoy. Let me see which one's the best fit. I think that one does. Okay, there it is. Now we are just going to scroll down. Debian 12. Let's see, and enter. Graphical install, yeah, why not? Try to do its thing. Yes. And as you can hear, my demons are having a good old time in the background. Okay. Now right here, I just need to change the laptop name to something else. So let's go with, let's do Garuda Gamer. We'll go with Debian Bookworm. All right, and then we'll continue. An invalid name. I guess I wasn't supposed to put a space there. Okay. Now we'll go with Debian Bookworm. Let's see if they'll let me get away with that. And let's pause this for a second. Now, since I don't have anything better planned, I'm going to stick with the defaults and continue.
Are you talking to you?
Yes, I am. Okay, from here, I'm just going to put in my root password, which will keep it simple for now. And now, a full new username. Oh, so exciting. Here we go. And here we go. Just put my first name for now. There we go. That's a good username. And of course, okay, now that username and passwords have been put in, now we just pick our time zone, which is going to be Eastern for now, till I move. Detecting disks, having a good old time. Let's see. Disk partitions. Well, we're going to use guided and we're going to use the entire disk. Why not? Why not? Or do I want to use the entire disk and set up an LVM for a Linux virtual machine? That's a distinct possibility. We'll go with just the entire disk for now, just to test it out. I know. Yeah, the peanut gallery really has its own opinions. Let's see. Yes, we're going to use this one. And no kicking my network connection. Rogue baby. Now, let's see. All files in one partition. Yeah, that'll work for now. Or maybe not. You know what? I never really stopped to think about this. Recommend for new users. You know what? Let's just go with that for now. I can get fancy later once I know more of what I'm doing. Okay, that looks good. Finish partitioning, right changes to disk. Let's do this. Following partitions are going to be formatted. Yes. Let's do this. There's no going back now. Here we go. And the journey continues. No, you do not put your hands near that plug. I don't care if you think you're in charge of this network. It's mine. Never mind. Never mind. This is just the way things are done in a gladiatorial network setup. Just kidding. I'm making this up as I go along. Okay. We got past the base install, so I'll go select United States, and what the heck, we'll go for the very first one, or we could go for something a little bit closer. You know what? Just go with the basics. I'm leaving it blank for now. I'm not trying to hide. Almost there. Okay, this is where things get interesting. So, which version do I want to try? I'm not a big fan of Gnome. KDE Plasma, maybe. I've never tried Cinnamon or Mate. So let's try Cinnamon right now. Okay, so I'm sticking with the Debian desktop and Gnome, but I'm adding KDE Plasma and Cinnamon, and we are going to continue from here. Looks like we're making some progress here. Only 3 more minutes to go. Yay! You know what? Let's go with Light Debian. Let's see what this display manager does for me. Oh good, more waiting. It's like hitting a lottery. But not quite. Okay, we got past the bulk of the installations. Right now we just have to install the Grub bootloader, and we should be fairly close to finishing. Okay, install it. And here we go. I know. We all love that blue progress bar. Shouldn't take too long. Alright, installation complete. Please choose continue to reboot. Here we go, and with that I will be removing the ventilator. Machine installation, unmounting file systems. Yay! Let's see what happens. And there you go. I have darkness. It looks like it's loading. It's accessing the hard drive. I'm getting a bunch of neon green OKs. And just for clarification, I don't read this fast. Especially not with small print. Okay. Enter my password. And here we go. Okay, it could just be that this is an old laptop and because of the processor or the RAM it's just taking a little longer. Or it could be, here we go. Key map changes do not work in Plasma Wayland at present. Please use system settings file instead. Alright. Let's click on that and let's see what comes up. I don't really care about key bindings, but okay, we got the little logo here for the menu. Files and Nemo. I got access to my terminal. And what is this? English, I guess that's my keyboard setup, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, battery charger, and time. And it's using military time, so it's 1:25 p.m. All applications under accessories. Let's see. Archive manager, we have ARC, we have backups, keyboard calendars, clocks, disks, extensions for Gnome extensions, files using Nautilus or Nemo, gedit, gnote there, I guess those are the editors. You got KDE, that's another editor, another calculator, another note file, word processor. Okay, virtual keyboard, always good to have. Okay, games. There's some pretty basic stuff. Nice selection. especially if you're casual. Into the graphics, we have GIMP, we have document scanner, image viewers, view, whatever that is. Let's see what it says. Simple image viewer. Okay, contrast, ocular, and Shoto. So it's not basically like a graphics setup. I'm good with this. You got a console right here. I'm pretty sure there's a basic terminal down here somewhere. There it is. Zuddy, which is something similar to Putty. Nope. Actually, I'm not really sure what that is. Dolphins there. Okay. Okay. Installation is complete. I am not going to go crazy with this. I am just going to go and shut down. And I'll go over this on my own time, and if I want to do a review, I'll go over anything interesting. So with that, I'm saying goodbye.